That ain't new to me. That ain't new to me.
The Yeezy Quantum barium, second iteration of the Quantum. It's a decent shoe. This is the lifestyle version. This is not the actual basketball shoe. Purchased this 7.5 from Adidas after they shipped the stock from Yeezy Supply to Adidas. Let me just say, one, I like the shoe. The shoe is, for a hooping shoe, this is a nice shoe. The silhouette for hooping, I like this. And the materials they use on it is pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. I want to say they did a reflective type of knitting within the knitting. I like. Obviously, this is the basketball version, so there's no ankle supports necessarily. But this is a decent shoe with boots. It has boots, as you can see. So this isn't my size. It's a 7.5. But to be frank, would I buy one of these to wear? Probably not. To hoop in, yes. The materials on it are pretty decent. The build quality, I don't see any glue stains. I don't see any stitching marks. As you can see, quality on the shoe is up there. The resale value on it is not. When I bought it, it was $350. A couple days later, it's at $300, $280 mark, and paying $250 plus tax, $270. It's not gonna work. So, fortunately, I gotta send these back. Had them posted. Nobody really was feeling these, but it's all right. I'm sure this is one of those shoes I will regret, and it will be $500 in 10 months. But meantime, I can split this $250 to the $500. So, fortunately, this isn't a keeper. I do like the releasing of this silhouettes from Yeezy, Yeezy and Adidas. I think do it. Kanye 2020 president, he probably gonna drop some heat now. You gotta get the people rowdy at this point. But let's make it clear that Yeezy Quantum barium is a decent shoe. The laces on it, I'm feeling the laces. It doesn't have one of those there's just one interlocking type of laces type of thing, the drawstring, or they're connected, they're intertwined. But I prefer this, the little caps. I kind of like how they're doing the lace caps. I feel like they should do those on everything else from here on forward. Seems like it's durable. But man, this is a nice shoe. If you get a chance, there's another look. Pick yourself up a pair. Look at that. It's decent. Suede, nice suede. It's not as plush as the Yeezy 700, but it gets it done. So I can get some light for you real quick, see if it's reflective. It's not going to do too good like that. Flash, but get a chance, cop these. I'm sure if they do go down, you see my outlets, buy them. I will buy this out of an outlet any day. I feel like it'll go up, but at $250 plus tax, not gonna do it. All the sizes bigger than 7.5, so 10 and up, those are doing good. Those are doing $350, maybe a little bit under that, $320. You can make some money, some decent little lunch money plus some, But smaller sizes, apparently, little people aren't hooping. So, little people, get out there. If I can make some money off these hooping shoes, please, thank you. Holla at me next. And another thing, follow sneaker_swerve on Instagram and sneakerswerve23 at the eBay store. Links will be in the description below. Thank you for fucking with me. Keep liking, subscribing. Make sure you follow the sneaker_swerve Instagram page. Keep connected. DM me anytime you need a sneaker. Anytime you just want to chop it up about sneakers. I'm here for you. Thank you.